think most of us know that we need to exercise for a certain amount of time in a day or a week. Some of us also know the exact kind of exercise needed for you. The right mix of cardio, strength training, yoga perhaps. Even most of us who are well informed, there is a blind spot when it comes to working out and staying hydrated. So let's talk about the water consumption during workout and how it should be done. During any kind of exercise, the core temperature of your body rises, resulting in sweating and thereby significant loss of water. This is easy to forget when we are moving or are more focused on right from which form you have to exercise in or trying to nail down those one-leg burpees, and this results in dehydration. So let's understand a little bit more about all of this. So what is dehydration? Simply put, it's the state where your body loses more fluid than it takes in. This creates an imbalance which disturbs the usual level of salts and sugars present in the blood, which can interfere with the way the body functions. Dehydration can be potentially harmful as it affects the lubrication of your joints, the digestion process, as well as toxin clearance from your body. These are just simple and some basic reasons why it's important to stay hydrated during workouts. Now let's look at some of the recommendations regarding rehydration. Before exercise, it's recommended that you should have somewhere around 5 to 7 ml per kg body weight of fluid. This fluid should be containing some sodium, or even some salted snacks can help retain the fluids. So for example, somewhere around 350 to 500 ml of fluid would be really recommended for a person who's around 70 kgs of body weight. However, this needs to be considered unless participating in an intense sport such as marathon. Otherwise, it's completely fine. Next one is especially during the workout. Monitor changes in your body weight during this exercise to estimate the weight loss. Consider a combination of sodium and potassium and carbohydrates during the exercise. So a fluid which can be replaced depending on the individual sweating rate and also the environment would be changing. So if the environment is very humid or it's very, very cold or it's very, very warm, you should adjust the dosage of your liquid depending on that. Next one is after exercise. This is a very, very important phase. Consumption of normal meals and beverages will restore your rehydration. In case you have excessive sweating where you might have lost more than 2% of your body weight, drink somewhere approximately 1.5 liters per kg of your body weight that has been lost. Largely relevant for intense sports in extreme weather conditions. The main goal here is to fully restore your fluid and electrolyte deficit. There is a simple disclaimer that goes hand in hand with these guidelines for fluid replacement. These are before, during, and post-workout guidelines. It does not factor in the fluid loss that occurs in other activities, which is best to keep sipping water throughout the day. If you work out regularly, ensure that you record your body weight daily to prevent dehydration. For example, if you have lost 2 kgs or so of the body water during an intense workout, this water should be replaced before exercising and subsequent day. If you are unable to do so above, it's best to avoid exercising or at least limit the intensity. However, it's not always possible to be able to weigh yourself after every exercise and follow these rules so precisely. So here's a simple rule for water intake during workouts. Just keep sipping on water at regular intervals, even if you don't feel thirsty. This will help prevent sweat-related weight loss. Unless working on an extreme weather conditions, rehydration with water is adequate and sports drinks are not required. To sum this all up, I would definitely recommend drink water very regularly. It is very, very important for a very, very optimum health. If you're working out or if you're not working out, both ways it's very important. Replenish your body while you work hard and stay hydrated while you crush those burpees. All the very best for your next workout.